In the arid deserts of Asia, a peculiar phenomenon has long been observed: the self-sustaining flames that engulf the towering Haloxylon trees. These natural fire pits have fascinated botanists, ecologists, and scientists for centuries, sparking curiosity about the secrets behind this extraordinary process. In this article, we will delve into the fascinating world of Haloxylon, exploring how it burns, its unique properties, and the ecological importance of this phenomenon. Haloxylon is a genus of deciduous shrubs or small trees native to Central Asia's arid regions. With over 30 species, these plants are capable of withstanding harsh conditions, including extreme temperatures, droughts, and strong winds. Their unique ability to thrive in such environments has earned them the nickname, flowering tree. Haloxylon is a vital component of the Asian desert ecosystem, providing food, shelter, and habitat for various animals. The self-sustaining fires that engulf Haloxylon trees are not spontaneous combustion, but rather an intricate process involving the plant's anatomy and chemistry. When matured, these trees develop a unique relationship with microorganisms in their root systems. These microbes secrete enzymes that break down organic matter, releasing volatile compounds, VOCs. As the tree grows, its bark becomes increasingly thickened, creating a fire-resistant layer. When a Haloxylon tree reaches maturity and begins to senesce, its VOC production increases dramatically. The released chemicals, such as terpenes and phenolics, are highly flammable and reactive. When ignited by external sources, e.g., lightning or human activity, these compounds fuel the flames, creating a self-sustaining fire.